Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining for the class today. And myself, Shiva Kumar from the Australian Website Training, AWT. I will be teaching you for the research, research using internet, like BSBTEC203. And still start coming to myself. My name is Shiva Kumar, as I said you, and I have got a bit of experience in civil construction and traffic management, and then later on I moved into this training. So we'll go around the room and then everyone will, one by one will unmute themselves and then just tell about yourself, and then we can keep on going to the next phase of the session. Yeah. Yeah. We want to go first.
I'll be doing first.
Yep.
Hi, Shiva. My name is Sanjay. How are you doing?
Good, Sanjay. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm from India myself. I came to Australia like 6 years ago. I'm in civil construction industry. Now, right the moment I'm working telecommunication, Telstra. It's been 2 years working there. Uh, More often looking for more opportunities. That's all for now for me with me.
And then you joined this course because your company referred from Sydney. Yeah.
Yeah. That's true. Um, I need more certifications and all. That's why I'm looking for new things. So I came here.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. We'll keep, yeah. Just let us know if you need if you got any questions or anything, and then we'll go
Sure.
around the room and then we'll discuss. Yeah. And then next, you want to go
Yeah.
next?
Hi Shiva,
Hi.
myself Haripriya. I am from Sydney. I have 6 years of experience in banking, and right now I would like to change my career into the construction field. So right now I'm doing certificates for this.
Yep. Sorry.
That's it.
Hi Shiva, my name is Adarsh. Good afternoon.
Hi there. Good afternoon, Adarsh. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, I'm just studying my master's in information technology and I'm also looking to done work in the construction.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, good. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. And then, yeah, we'll dig into the course for what we're gonna do today. And then, yeah, and just to give a general housekeeping, like if you got any technical issues or anything, just text me or just chat me or just I'll share you the number in the chat box. You can save my number and then ring me, and then we can, if you got any issues, then we can sort that one out. Yeah, everyone good with that? Yep. And then I'll share you the presentation, what we're gonna do today. Just give me a second. And I hope everyone can see my screen.
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
see your screen.
Yep. Done. That's good. That's good. Yeah, as I said, you like this is this is regarding the research using the internet, BSBTEC 203, the session one. And yeah, there like in this one will be like as your company had suggested us to give you a training on how to use the internet and how to research in the internet. So I'm going to give you some basics, and then from there we can keep going. So yeah, when it comes to introduction, like we'll be in this whole unit, we'll be having three sessions. Session one, 30 minutes with internet basics and researching, and the session two with 30 minutes. This is the session two will be the continuation of session one with the advanced version of how to do a research on in internet, and the session three will be the 30 minutes assessment with the from the session one and two, and it will be conducted virtually in the same environment, but in the different, like we'll be allocating the different breakout rooms to each and every individual. They have to be done by themselves. Yeah. And then next one, internet in the workplace. So using of internet in the workplace is like there are like so many workplaces and different kinds of workplaces, and they'll be using for different things. It would be like regarding to what learning the objectives, like what are the objectives of the workplace, what you're gonna learn, and what you're gonna research, and every other stuff. And then in the workplace, there will be different types of legislation and the regulations you need to work, and you need to follow the rules as mentioned by in your policies and procedures of your company, which for the company which you are working for. And then the access and interpret policies and procedures relevant to using the internet at work. So you need to access the policies and procedures, like as I mentioned, to identify the legislations. Like there are different types of legislations when you work in a with different environment. It would be like, like different types of like plagiarism and every other stuff which covers in the internet workplace, and like bullying of the other people using the internet, making them, sending posters via like blank email to other people saying like there are the different things. Like when you go and keep on going to the next slides, you'll be getting to know of the different stuffs and different policies and procedures. Yeah. The next one, the internet in the workplace. So when you see the term internet in the workplace, it says like, like it means like, wow, what is workplace and what is internet, and what are the like these two terms combined to make yourself, how effectively you need to use the internet in workplace. And it comes to like you might use internet at workplace to communicate with others. Yeah, when it comes to communicate with others, communicate with others like using emails, different platforms of the emails, like sending emails, sending data, receiving data, or else maybe sending a meeting invite, or else as now as we have been gathered together to conduct our research class, and comes on those are the comes under communication. And access online tools and software. So accessing the online tools and the different types of softwares also comes in the workplace using the internet. And the internet is also used to backup and store data, like to retrieve the data and store the data which has been currently used, or maybe which have been previously, which you guys been developed. And then undertake training and professional development. And the internet is also used to, as I am teaching you guys, which is like the professional development and training. And then and also the internet also provides us the access to the news and industry updates. Like if you're from different construction industry, banking, and if you're studying some masters in the internet information technology, so you can access the internet to get the different like latest updates in the world. And then it also comes to research and gather information. So most of the topic of our, like as you see in the last line, it says the research and gather information, which is bold in italic, bold in the bold. It says that we will be concentrating on researching and gathering of various information. And what are the techniques? Yep. Any questions so far? No? Okay, let's go for the next one. And as I said in the second slide, like legislation and regulation, like policies and procedures, which also constitutes to the legislation and regulations. So there are different types of legislation and regulations in the internet for using the internet in workplace, or maybe in your personal space or any place. So those are different types. Like when it comes to Australia, there's like Copyright Act for Internet, Privacy Act for Internet, Work Health and Safety Act for Internet, Anti-Discrimination Act, and Online Safety Act. So these are different types of acts which we need to follow when using internet to abide the rules and to gather the information safely. And the next one is research application and tools. What are the different research application and the tools? So that like learn the in this one the objective of learnings would be like what are the internet browsers and how to access, and what are the search engines and how to access, and identifying how access helps for online application and tools. So this one gives a what are the, like in the next I will give the what are the internet browsers, and I'm going to show you what are the different types of browsers and how to use the search engines and every other stuff. And see, as you can see in this one, these are internet browsers. An internet browser, also known as a web browser, is a software application that allows users to access information on the internet. So you can see like there are different types of browsers and like for example, if we go for the first one, we can see the Google Chrome. As you can see a Google Chrome. So this is the Google Chrome. Hang on. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, we can see
Yeah.
your
So,
screen.
so this is the Google Chrome where you can see, and this is also one type of browser. And in the same browser, if you go into and this is then you can see this is a different types of browser which is called Microsoft Edge. And there are different types of browsers which mentioned in the presentation. So, and this would be the browsers, and what are the functionalities of this is a browser and this is the functionalities. What is the functional address bar? So what is the address bar? This is called the address bar where you can put your information. Like for example, I want to go to Masters of Information Technology. So just put in there and just press enter. So you'll get so much of information of different like regarding different universities, different technologies of masters, what you can get in the market. And then when you go for the next one, It says tabs and windows, bookmarks, history, and search. So what's the tabs and windows? Tabs is like, creating different, like I want to search masters of information in one tab. In the other one, I want to search for regarding banking. And in the other one, I need to go for construction. So you can do what, like construction. So just put in some random words, and then you can see, like, in this era, like you got so much of information in the internet, so you can grab them. And these are the tabs, and these are the tabs, and different types of, like the windows is like creating a new tab. So you can go here, just like opening up a new window. This one, this totally you're starting with a new. This one would be the new window of the Google Chrome. And then history, like search and other stuff, are some basic things which you can browse yourself. And then searching is like, search is a search bar, and when you go here and you got another options like history and all other stuff, where you can access all the different mentioned scenarios from here. Yep. And then the next one is the search engines. So like as I said, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuck, and Ask.com are different types of search engines. Like Google Chrome is a browser, and this is a search engine. Is like different types of companies which provide their information in their terms. So this search engine also can be used for different functionalities like search bar, like sorry, like is my search bar, query suggestion, search results page, page summaries, advanced search filters, image and video search, instant answers, and knowledge panels and related researchers. Yeah. And then the other one would be basic research method. So for example, if you want to learn, like if you want to research regarding like any of the basic information about how to gather information on how to gather information of knowing the recent organization had a invitation for some get together, or maybe an awareness of a program. So how you guys gonna research on that one? Any idea? Any guesses? Like if you guys like if you are guys looking for like any event tickets, for example, if you want to attend a cricket, so how you gonna research on what is the availability and everything? So you can use any of the, as I said, like you
Mm.
can use any of the,
We'll just go to any search engine and do the search for the event,
yeah,
particular event. We'll
yeah,
find which event and which date.
yeah.
Comparison on the ticket prices. It's very good to search everything in this thing. So very helpful.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just yeah, that's it. Right, you're right, Sanjay. So, we'll go for any other search engine. Just put in the example cricket on 20, like Big Bash, or maybe a Boxing Day final cricket match or something, and then you can research your things like put changing the dates, maybe your price and every other things can be constitute to what you are researching on that. Yeah. So, as I said, the objective of basic research methods would be create and follow a research plan, like research plan includes like the date, time, like your availability, which date you're looking, what price, and what is the location, and every other stuff. And it's called a planning of that availability to get a ticket is called, and this comes under research, and it also constitutes to the creating and following a research plan. Evaluate sources used during research for reliability. So evaluating the sources, like there are different types of sources, like as mentioned, like different search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Ecosia. So we can use these different type of search engines to evaluate the sources, and then we can make our research very reliable. And using of search terms and search operators. Regarding this search term and search operators, will be covering up in session 2 in detail. So yeah, we can get in them there. And then it's time for an activity. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put any question. Sorry for that. Any questions till now with the session which we have gone through?
No question.
No, you good?
No.
Everything's fine until now.
Everything is fine. So you got an idea of like how to use internet browser and what is the search engine and everything, and you can research on a topic. Yeah.
Yes.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna allocate you guys like 3 rooms,
Mm-hmm.
three, three. I'll put you in a breakout room, into like all three different, like all the three guys, and then what I'm gonna do, so if you got if you want me to, I can send you the information. So just each and everyone, so choose yourself. You guys there? Can you see my screen here or no?
No, I can't see your screen.
Hang on, I'm sharing again. You can see that now.
Yes, not yet. Yes, we can now.
Yeah. So this activity, this activity will be for 10 minutes. So you will do a short internet search activity to practice using search engines and find reliable information. So each and like they are like you got five tasks here. So everyone make sure to get one. So Sanjay, can you do it on Copyright Act? Copyright Act regarding internet. And
Yeah, okay.
others, you go for Privacy Act using different
Yeah,
search
okay.
engines. And Harry, you go for Work Health and Safety Act.
So,
Yeah, and then we'll come back after 10 minutes. I'll just assign you the rooms. Hang on. Yep, join the allocator room which I sent you. You got Harry? You wanna join there, please?
yeah. Hello, Shiva.
Hi, Harry. Sorry, I just mistakenly I came into your room. So just
Yes, sure.
keep yourself, take 10 minutes, get whatever you want, and then I'll get back to you in between, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
So now we'll get into documents and then I'm gonna do some housekeeping. Just get the attendance sheet. Mm, 10/0/2025 6. Hi, Adarsh. How you going there?
Fine.
Fine. Any issues or you happy?
Yeah, is everything
Sanjay, can
okay?
you get back to your room? So sorry, I just made it to, you know. I'll get back to you, Sanjay. Miss Adarsh, any questions? So you happy? You getting there? So
Yeah,
you're
I
doing the
understand everything.
privacy
There
act
is no
here?
question.
No questions?
No questions.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you can get back to into your room. I'll put you back in your room.
Yeah, okay. I will go.
Yes, Sanjay. Any questions? Are you going there?
Everything's fine. Privacy Act. I was searching about that one. So good. So interesting facts. I got to know that uh, it's invented in 1986. I
Yeah.
really don't know about recently. I just got to know about
Yeah,
that.
that's it. Just get the information. Like, just you need to know like how you can access the information. That's more
Yeah,
than
yeah,
So what are you gonna
yeah.
do? Yeah, I'll just give you another 5 minutes so you can keep on browsing on that one, and then we'll get back everyone together. Yeah,
Sure, sure,
yeah.
sure.
Just you can go back to your room, and then I'll just touch base with the other one, and I'll come back. Yeah. Harry, you there? Harry, how are you?
Hi, Shiva. I'm good. How are
Yeah.
you?
Oh, good, good. How you going there? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is going good.
Yeah. Any questions?
Not much.
So you
Trying
ready
to
to
do
go or
research.
on some more time?
Yep, I'm good to go.
Good to go? Okay. Yeah, we'll give another minute for the guys and then I'll pull up everyone in one room and then we can discuss and then we can get going.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's done. Yep, I'm pulling up everyone into the main session. So everyone is back. Is audible. I'm audible to everyone.
Yeah,
Yes.
we do.
Yeah, yeah. We'll
Yes.
go around like everyone and then we'll go for the first one, which is like the Copyright Act. Who was the one doing the Copyright Act?
Yeah, myself, I'm doing Copyright Act.
Yeah, Sanjay, what did you find on that one and what do you think?
I feel like Copyright Act is very good one
Yeah,
because like every company or whatever the browsing that we need to do, it's like every individual has separate company name or whatever it is they're choosing by their own self.
yep.
So it's better to have their own sustainability. Like some other people can't break in through, so it's better they can't do downloading or whatever it is.
Yeah,
So it's better
it's
to know about it.
basically, yeah, you're right. And it says like copyright, like, if you're copying anything from any other person, you need
Yeah,
to
yeah.
acknowledge or you need to notify. That's it. Simple and
Yes,
basic. Yeah,
yes, that's true.
yeah,
100%.
that's good. That's great work. Yeah. Who was the next one? Privacy Act. Good.
Yeah, I will say about the Privacy Act.
Yeah, go Adarsh. Yeah, go ahead.
The Privacy Act is mainly invented in the 1988 in
Yeah.
Australia federal laws that the safety guards that handling of individuals, and it's over the 3 million over the 3 million investment is being done in the Privacy Act.
Yeah.
The key points on the Privacy Act is
Yeah, that's good.
that 13 individual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a good information. Yeah, thanks for that. And like as you said, the Privacy Act says that like the word with the privacy, if you're maybe for example, if you're recording someone, like as I said you before starting the class, like to take the consent of the other person of recording or maybe disclosing of any other person's information. So this is the basic information which covers under the Privacy Act. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. Thanks for that. Thanks, Alice. Yeah, we'll go, Harry. Can you start with the work health and safety, please?
Yep, sure. The Work Health and Safety Act was started in 2011. It is also known as WHS Act. It was mainly designed by the Australian government to protect the health, safety, and well-being of workers and other in workplace. It applies to most workspace across Australia, including employees, contractors, volunteers, and visitors.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's it. Like as I said, like when compared